New documents released by the Department of Child Services reveal a history of reported abuse leading up to the beating death of a toddler last year. 2-year-old Malakai Garrett was killed last November. His mother's boyfriend, Mitchell Van Ryn, is charged with his murder.
Malakai's sister, who was 6 years old at the time, also lived in the home, and according to DCS documents following his death, she told investigators Malakai was scared of Van Ryn. 15 finds out investigator Angelica Robinson has the latest.
Within this 400-page documents we have, there were at least 5 instances of abuse and neglect reported to the agency leading up to Malakai Garrett's death. But it wasn't until after the toddler was killed that his 6-year-old sister told investigators about a pattern of abuse. 400 pages consisting of dozens of interviews conducted by law enforcement and the Department of Child Services. Over a year's time, caseworkers made at least 5 visits to Amber Garrett's home, following up on concerns that Malakai Garrett was being neglected and abused. Each time the case was closed, citing a lack of evidence of abuse and neglect. October of 2017 is the last visit made by DCS before the boy died. A caseworker observed dark circles under his eyes and a scratch above his lip. The worker also noted that the boy appeared to be skinny but not malnourished. During an interview with Malakai and his older sister, they both told the caseworker they were safe in the home and that no one hurts them. It wasn't until a month later, after Malakai died, that his 6-year-old sister opened up about the disturbing pattern of abuse. She said Malakai only got spankings from Mitch. Those spankings would leave bruises on the boy's body. And she told investigators that Malakai would only pee or poop in his pants when he was with Mitch. She said she thought Malakai was scared of him because he doesn't like being hit. She said that her mom and Mitch fight with their words, and when Mitch gets really angry, he hits her mom everywhere, revealing to the investigator that she did not like Mitch and that her mom thinks Mitch killed Malakai, and her grandmother thinks Mitch did something too. Van Ryn is charged with his murder. His trial is scheduled for next year. Amber Garrett faces felony neglect charges, and a jury trial is scheduled for next month. In Studio 15, Angelica Robinson, WANE 15 News.